Alright folks, St. Paul Steam and Machine here with something a little different. I am attempting to put this Prodigy P3 brake controller on my 2024 F150. Here's the controller right here. And that's the controller. That's the brake harness for this particular truck. And it couldn't be easier, folks. It's just a snap and plug and play, as they call it. Right here is, make sure I got the right one, yeah, is the plug. It's just hooked into a dummy plug. Just unplug that. Take your adapter kit, and this plugs right into it right there. The other end plugs into your P3 right on the back. The hardest thing you have to do is mount the bracket. Now this is a new truck and I did not want to put screws in my dash already. So this is a piece of oak that I had that had the contour. This has got a little bit of a bevel to it and it had that contour. I just put permanent sticky tape on the other side of it and it just clicks right into this holder. All I gotta do is chase this cable up in there and out of the way a little bit, and hopefully we'll be in business. There should be enough adhesion in this block I've got to keep it all steady, but if it's not, I'll screw it into the dash. I just don't really want to. We'll try it out here in a little bit. Now we have the Tekonsha installed. I don't know if I'll leave that wood piece in there or not. My wife doesn't like it, but we'll be right back. Okay, I have the camper jacked up. Hit it! Okay, let off. Hit it! Okay, it is working. All I gotta do is really adjust it in. Okay, there is the total rig. It takes as long as to just mount the controller as anything else. You can do this in 5 minutes. Thanks for looking, folks.